You guys already know this video is going to be lit because it's I, E-Man. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. So today for you guys, I'm going to be doing a hands-on video and first impressions and kind of first looks on the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the new Galaxy Z Flip 4. Without further ado, let's get straight right into the video. So basically, I went up to London to have a look at these devices and went to, I just experienced them. So yeah, the video's not going to be me in here talking. It's going to be me out there in London, just talking to you guys about the device and show you guys what the devices look like.
Very good for marketing.
1,060, 600.
Yeah, around the price. So look, this is for 12 GB RAM. Same thing? Yeah, so GSM ground floor, yeah?
Yeah, you stamped it, it has to
Look, if you want to get stamped, go there. So you don't screw
The Z Fold 4 is a lot smaller than the 3. That's it. It feels lighter as well. It feels way lighter.
What's a wood there, huh? Look at this keyboard.
You guys can see, that's a lot bigger. That's a 50 megapixel camera. That one is a 50 megapixel camera as well. You guys can see the size difference. A lot bigger.
If you go to that section as well, they'll show you like the S10 as well. So you can get ahead with it and then they'll show you
So the screen on the front of the Z Fold 4 and the Z Fold 3 is slightly different. The Z Fold 4 is a lot bigger than the Z Fold 3. It looks awesome. This is more user friendly. You can use it more as a normal smartphone than this. This just has too narrow of a screen, but this one is a little bit more open, which means you can use it more as a daily device, literally just like that. But yeah, build quality is absolutely awesome. Absolutely awesome. Feels a lot lighter than the original, than the 3.
It's square, that's weird.
It's amazing. And I can also notice that the spacing when you close the device as well is a lot smaller on the Z Fold 4 rather than the Z Fold 3. The gap is a lot bigger, and you can see on the 4 it's a lot more smaller. See right there, looks absolutely awesome. I think I noticed.
So it'll definitely, like, you don't need to charge it more than once a day.
That looks awesome.
I don't know the exact life, like, how much it lasts. Check that.
The screen on the Z Fold 4 is a little bit smaller than the screen on the Z Fold 3, but it's a lot wider. A lot wider. That's cool. Alright, cool. Oh, and I've just noticed there's a flipping case wall. Look at that. That looks absolutely awesome. So you've got nice case walls for the people that work. Yeah, we've got a case wall for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. These are the cases with the customizable and changeable cases, which is awesome. I actually saw this online when I was looking in a little bit about these phones and the cases. You've got customizable cases. You buy the case and then you can customize it, so you can have one with the pen. I believe these things clicks out. So you got one with a pen, and we got one with the kickstand as well, which looks absolutely awesome. And also, obviously, you can get them in different colors as well, which is absolutely awesome. So we've got green, black, and of course the white one. No, white or gold one, whatever color it is. Same here as well. As you can see, you can get a nice plain one as well without anything on it. But yeah, it looks absolutely awesome. But yeah.
Huh?
So for the Flip 4, I don't know if you guys have seen the Flip 4, but there it is.
Yeah.
Right. For the Flip 4, we have our bespoke edition. This bespoke edition is geared around customization and personalization. So what Samsung have done is that they've given you guys the ability. Yeah, so you'll be able to customize. You know the drill. Huh? Okay. No, that's not going to come. No.
Okay,
Actual
when you fold the phone in half, just let me know, and we'll give you a quick demonstration of some of the really cool stuff you can do. Have fun.
It's better because there's a whole group, you give them to everyone. So it's better that way. Guys, what is that? Next one is this one.
Every day's been open, that's a public training the last 3 days I've spent I got my fingers crossed. So you guys deserve it.
So guys, as you can see, this is the Flip 4 side, and as you can see, there's a lot of different colors and all that stuff. But different types of cases that you can have in it as well, which is absolutely awesome. But yeah, I like the feel, I like it, it's looking good.
It's nice to hear.
Lucas, they need to sponsor me. Right, so guys, we come inside this room. I love literally the whole theme and the whole look in this room. Literally, we've got the whole Galaxy Fold 4 all lined up, which looks absolutely awesome. So it's kind of like a mixture. So it's got like some designer green one, the gold one, and the black one. So as you can see, you've got the green thing. So you've got the green Z Fold 4. You've got the earbuds, and then you've got the new watch, which looks absolutely awesome. And coming on the other side, we've got the next colour, so we've got like a little kind of a real the gold one and then the black one as well, which looks absolutely awesome. But yeah, I just like the fact that that's just stuff like that, which looks amazing. Then same goes with this Flip 4 as well, which is absolutely awesome. So you've got the grey one, which looks like it's a little bit black. Obviously you got the watch, and then you've got the gold section, and then you've got the blue one. That's nice. That's a really nice baby blue right there. That's a nice blue one right there. That is sick. And obviously you got the purple one as well. Purple, actually, on these, so the purple devices, I actually really like. Fall in love with them because of the colour. They just look absolutely awesome. And as you can see here, we've got the whole nice little purple theme over here, which looks absolutely awesome. But yeah, that looks amazing, man. I like that. I really do like that. The purples really do it for me, which is really nice. The blue is alright. The gold one is alright. Black one is alright, but just the purple one really hits it for me. I really like the purple ones, which is really nice, really good. But we're gonna move on to the next room, see what's going on there, and then we'll go from there because yeah, there's a lot to see here. It's a big place, so we need to get around it real quick.
Yeah, so you can sit there. And I'll.
It's a whole studio in here. Look at this room. Oh wow, that's awesome. That's awesome. So guys, as you saw there, that was the event experience from Samsung. Just want to give a shout out to everyone in the Samsung event that I spoke to, and they gave me good advice about obviously the YouTube and keep pushing and keep going. Appreciate all of that. Did a little interview as well with one of them guys out there, so yeah, that was really amazing. But I really had a great time there. But obviously that's the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Z Fold and the Z Flip 4. I really can't wait to have it in the studio on the desk so we can unbox it and review it and talk a little bit more about it. Yeah, I'm very excited, man. Very excited for these phones to come out so I can have them here in the studio. But yeah guys, if you've enjoyed the video and you cannot wait for the new devices to be out so you can actually buy them, then subscribe, like the video, because like I said, we're going to be unboxing them and reviewing them on the channel. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and being here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.